In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Clickup account using both email and single sign-on, or SSO for short. Whether you're accessing it for project management, team collaboration, or simply organizing your personal tasks, knowing how to log in seamlessly is essential. So let's dive right in, step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's official website. You can do this by typing in clickup.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you're greeted by a variety of options designed to help enhance your productivity. However, our focus right now is on logging in. On the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a prominent Login button. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to accessing your personal or professional Clickup space. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be redirected to Clickup's login page. Here you'll see options to enter your email and password if you plan to log in with an email account. But for today's demonstration, let's focus on the single sign-on or SSO method using Google. If you prefer using Google to log in, it's super simple. Look for the option that says sign in with Google. It's typically listed alongside other login methods. Click on this button. This step may require you to have an existing Google account, so make sure that's set up beforehand. Once you click on the Google sign in option, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use if you have multiple accounts. Take a moment to select the correct one. After selecting the desired Google account, you may be asked to grant ClickUp permission to access your account details in order to facilitate the login process. Rest assured, these permissions are standard for authentication purposes. Simply click Allow to proceed, and there you have it. After granting permission, you should now be redirected to your Clickup dashboard, where you can manage projects, create tasks, and collaborate with your team, all within one centralized platform. I hope this guide has helped simplify the Clickup login process for you. Whether you're using email or SSO with Google, logging in should feel like a breeze. If you encounter any issues or have additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Clickup's support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.